Buffalo schools are still waiting for repairs from the deadly Christmas blizzard in 2022.
The district says many of its buildings saw significant damage from the blizzard, and it's working with FEMA to make repairs. Strong wind blew off roof tiles at City Honors. More roof work needs to be done at Community School and Lafayette High, and part of the facade was blown off of East High School. The repairs are expected to cost more than $600,000, money the district is looking to have reimbursed by FEMA.
We've been in the process for since the storm. This is the tail end. These are the last 4 projects, and we are looking to wrap them up in short term.
The district says FEMA has already provided some funding to recover from the blizzard, and that more should be on the way.